I said to my runanga, I want to pass on what I know onto the second generation, the next generation. We soon found out that it was us, my generation, who had to relearn it. I was the only one that knew all our waiata, so it was a matter of teaching my generation, my cousins.
Our kaumātua are from all over the takiwā. When we first started in 2008, it was primarily from Ngāi Tahu, which is our senior hapu down here in Te Waipounamu. So we are now our Taikura Ngāi Tahu as opposed to Taikura Ngāi Tuahuriri, which of course brings all those cousins back together. So some of the waiata we do are waiata that they were doing as 7 and 8 year olds. So now here are all of these cousins that are now standing there in their 70s and 80s, back on the stage again together, and it's a real joy to see them just loving each other as cousins, as whānau who have done this their entire life, and they love just hanging together and being whānau. So best opportunity ever, sing together, play together.
I just love the whanaungatanga as we move in one group, as we sing together, as we harmonise, and sharing the knowledge of my tipuna, sharing the knowledge of our whānau, our hapu, our iwi with the world.
As years have gone on, I've graduated to be able to stand alongside my aunties and my uncles and share our Ngāi Tahu Waitaha, our Ngāi Tahu whakapapa amongst other iwi. We're very lucky here that we can still carry on those traditions, carry on the kōrero, the whakapapa that is handed down to us in a way that we can keep it alive.
It's about coming together, but it's also hauora, the movement for our kaumātua to come to the marae and doing our kapa and our actions, that's it's a form of hauora for our whānau too.
We do lots of laughing, decent amount of singing, and a huge amount of eating, but it is about being whānau again for our kaumātua. Kapa Haka in its widest sense is healthy for us, our tinana, our wairua, our hinengaro, and we see that in our kaumātua daily. And so if that's how we can support them, that's exactly what we're going to do. Kia kore. Ko te whirika
Hey, lovely to see you, darling.
You too, te aroha.
Hey, I know that you love doing kapa haka.
Yes.
And I've watched you as a child. Hey, when you came to Te Papa at 7 years of age, why did you want to come to kapa haka at Te Papa?
Kapa haka has always been an important part of my life since I started when I was 5. And when I seen Taua perform, I fell in love with it. And it's just been amazing.
You were actually learning all that program off the DVD. Whose DVD was it?
My taua's.
And who wasn't learning the program?
My taua.
But you did. Hey,
I did.
what did you do with that knowledge?
I took everything I knew and learnt from you and everybody else, and I taught my peers at Tuahiwi School the waiata that we do.
So, darling, the mere fact that you wanted to learn the waiata, that you love learning the waiata, that's all our history of Tuahiwi, hey? And you're learning from us kaumātua and then passing it on, that's succession planning, ne?
Yes, I think I want to pass it on, and I want to continue learning more waiata that we do here at Tuahiwi, and I want to pass it on to my peers and do more of it.
So here, when we have whakamoemiti at home, sometimes you will lead those waiata whakamoemiti, ne?
Those whakamoemitis are also a part of me. That's something I love doing, and I'm sure a lot of other people love doing, and it's something that I'm going to continue doing.
Lovely.